Hi guys, wagwan, welcome back to my channel. It is Ballecia and hope you're having a wonderful day. Today I'm bringing to you careers from booking.com and another bonus job. But before we get right into that, here's the quote for today. No matter how tough it gets this week, just keep on going. Okay? All right, so let's go ahead and take a look at these jobs. I'm going to review more than one briefly. So if you should go to booking.com/careers or jobs.booking.com/careers, I'll just leave the link in the description below. But you'll see a total of 6 open job positions in the United States. And if you should scroll down, you'll see them on the section bar over here. Now I'm going to go ahead and take a look at one, which is credit controller in Spanish, and this is for Orlando location. So you should be bilingual for this specific position. So you need to be able to speak Spanish. They're going to give you the job description right here. When you scroll down, they'll tell you what you'll be doing. And let's take a look at the pay. They are paying between $24.47 up to $27.21. And you should submit your resume in English, okay? They also have a pre-employment screening, and here they are showing similar jobs at the bottom right here. So go ahead and apply to this job if you are bilingual. If you're not bilingual, of course, I did mention there are other jobs over here as well. There are other persons applying, so if you're interested in anything right here, go ahead and jump on it, because again, it's only 6 positions for the United States. If you're overseas or in any other country, you just come right here. You can see Netherlands also here as well. Okay? And guys, I want to take a moment to say this. Ensure that you are taking the time to invest in yourself holistically, okay? Mind, body, and soul. With that said, this video is brought to you by LADDY Holistics, formulated out of the awareness of the need for safe and natural alternatives, to address skin issues, scalp issues such as dandruff, scalp eczema, psoriasis, stunted hair growth, and other skin and scalp conditions. Okay, from now until January 24th, you can get 25% off your purchase by using my link in the description box below. Happy healing, and remember, take care of yourself. So let's go ahead and jump into the second company that is currently hiring. They have open positions currently. You have accounting, senior accountant, vendor manager, benefits specialist, HR business partner, and if you scroll down, you'll see the other options as well. They have part-time options. They also have a bilingual position right here for inbound call center representative. And let's go ahead and review one of these. Okay, so I went ahead and I opened up this one, operations analyst. This is in Irvine, California. I do believe that this is a hybrid work role. Yes, it is. Here it is right here. A hybrid scheduled. It's a hybrid schedule. It offers a salary of $65,000 up to $80,000, and you will be required to travel. So they're telling you here what the job will be all about, what will make you successful as it relates to that, more about them. All right, so if you're interested in this position, you can go ahead and apply. If not, you can come over here and check to see if there's anything else that you may be interested in. Okay guys, happy job hunting. All the best. Don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel. All the best. God bless and peace.